Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my all-time favorite Christmas cookie recipe from Meltaways. These are cookies that my grandma would make every year and would be gone in just a few minutes. With only a few ingredients, you will be enjoying this Christmas treat in no time. Here are the ingredients you will need to make the cookies. 1 cup of softened butter, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of milk if necessary. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the cornstarch, powdered sugar, and flour. Beat the softened butter in a stand mixer until it is light and fluffy. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the butter and mix until moistened. It may take a couple of minutes for it to start to come together. You can check to see if it is moist enough by pinching some dough with your fingers. If it holds together, it is ready. If it is still too dry, add milk 1 teaspoon at a time. Use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to shape the cookies and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Make a small well in the center of each cookie using your thumb or finger. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Watch them carefully to avoid over-baking. Remove the cookies from the oven and transfer them to a cooling rack after 1 minute. Here are the ingredients to make the cream cheese frosting. 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the softened cream cheese until smooth in a mixing bowl or in a food processor. Add the vanilla and the powdered sugar a little at a time and mix until incorporated. Place the icing in a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and cut the corner off. Pipe the frosting into the well of the cookies and then top with Christmas sprinkles. You can store the cookies in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. I hope you like these Christmas melt-away cookies as much as we do. You can find the recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. I'll see you next time.